Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use the voice access on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First, we're gonna enable this feature, so we need to go to the settings, then scroll all the way down and go to accessibility. Over here, open interaction and dexterity. And finally, you will find voice access. If you tap this option, you will find the toggle, so you can tap on the slider in order to enable and disable the voice access. You can also use the voice access shortcut, which allows you to use like the accessibility button or one of these two shortcuts. In addition to that, you can also go to the settings in order to find more settings related to voice access. And at the bottom over here, we will find the description and a short tutorial how to actually use the voice access. So we're gonna enable this option. We need to allow full control. We need to agree. One more time. We're gonna allow notifications, and then let's press done. Now over here, we need to, this is the tutorial, of course, we have listening preference, and we can listen for commands whenever the screen is on, which is recommended, or we can make the voice access stop listening after 30 seconds of inactivity. I'm gonna choose the first one as it is recommended. We can allow the use of microphone. We have some basics, icon names, phone call settings, let's allow, and so on and so forth. So you can of course take your time and read the tutorial, as it will surely help you with the voice access. So now what we're gonna do is, if you allowed notifications, then you can scroll from the top to the bottom to open notifications, and you should have the voice access notification that you can tap on in order to start the voice access. And now, of course, voice access will listen to everything that you say, and you will also have the preview of your words. So you can now say something in order to start using your device. So for instance, let's use a simple voice command. Open Google Play Store. Okay, so Google Play Store is not found. Let's try just Play Store. Open Play Store. And there we go. As you can see, we can go through different apps by simply saying something out loud. And we can even use the apps itself. So if I'm now in the Play Store, I can say to voice access to search for something. So let's give it a try. Find TikTok. Okay, so maybe let's try something else. Search TikTok. Search TikTok. There we go. So instead of find, we need to use search. But as you can see, I don't need to touch anything. We can just say something out loud and the device will do what we say for us. I think I have some issues with my Wi-Fi, but generally it is working, as you can see. So we can also say stop listening in order to completely disable the voice access. Or we can go to the notifications one more time and then tap to pause. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.